Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. And today is finally time to explain and to play the B-flat major scale. With the B-flat major scale we are ending the explanation of the major scales. The B-flat major scale on the circle of fifths is obviously the one that is just to the left side of the F. So starting from the C that is without any flat or sharp, you go to the F that has one flat. Here we are, finally the B-flat major scale. The B-flat major scale, following the previous scales and respecting my idea of the major scales according to the fingering, B-flat major scale is using on the right side the standard fingering, the C major fingering. I explain why. You start with the temporary second finger that should be anyways the fourth, then you go to the thumb and you do 1, 2, 3. It's exactly like C major. Then you pass the thumb, same as you do in C major. And you indeed, in C major you would have done this. In B flat major you do that is instead of the fourth. This is what is happening on the right side. On the left we are using the two patterns 3 and 4. These two patterns in this order appeared already, for example, in the C sharp major. Then we have used in the E flat major the last week. We have also used in the A flat major. So the left hand is using this alternation of 3-2-1 for 3-2-1. The right hand, starting from a temporary second finger, that should be fourth, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as usual, I'm going to play first of all with the right hand, 1 octave, then with the left hand, 1 octave, then hands together, 1 octave, then with the right hand, 2 octaves, with the left hand, 2 octaves, then hands together, 2 octaves slow, and hands together, 2 octaves fast. Right hand, 1 octave. Remember that this is a temporary finger. The official one would be the fourth. Left hand, 1 octave. Now, hands together, 1 octave. Now, right hand, 2 octaves. I'm moving down to help the camera. Left hand, 2 octaves. Hands together, 2 octaves. Hands together, 2 octaves, fast. Let's try to understand if there is in the B-flat major scale some matching point. So we have, we should say 3 and 4, no matching point, no matching point, no matching point, no matching point. Oops! This is the only one, the only matching point that we have is the 6th note, where we have second and second. It's not that much helpful, I can understand. See, again the same story. Anyways, sometime having fun, I've tried to play this scale using the same identical fingering of all the standard fingering scales: C major, G major, D major, A major and D major. And obviously it's not convenient, it's not easy at all. But just to have fun, look how it would look like the scale, the B flat major scale, if you use the standard fingering. Anyways, it's possible, look. Anyways, you would have the same identical matching points of the standard fingering scales. But this is obviously something that is not done at all. Anyways, it's something that I like to do to let you explore new possibilities, new ways. But anyways, respect the fingering that is stated in all the books, whichever is the book that you are using, especially if you are using the ABRSM or Trinity, simply stick to the fingering that is suggested on the book, and in general is exactly this one. I hope that you are enjoying these lessons, that you are enjoying the scales, you are understanding and appreciating how important they are. Feel free to comment if there is any question. If it's the first time that you're landing on my channel, thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. All the best!